On 1805 West Jefferson, suspect is a male, white, 30 to 40 years, thin build, wearing a yellow hooded sweater, jeans, code 2, incident 376-18336.
Go ahead and break it down. We're going to break down the whole perimeter.
North Sweetser Avenue, Unit 205, code 2, incident 3747, RD 701. Landlord tenant dispute 380 South Clark Drive, incident 3188, RD 721. Trespass suspect La Brea and Olympic at Arco Gas, incident 3487, RD 745.
Roger.
DOT request on Van Ness, and also advised MTA that Van Ness is cleared to resume normal bus schedule.
Oh, Sam 73, Roger. 911, Ventura and Tampa, code 3, incident 3764, RD 1061, VTD unit to hand identify.
46.
Roger, 5746.
Radio check on 127.
George 5 at scene. Roger, we'll put you at scene.
Five 835 Crenshaw Boulevard, incident 3718.
Coach is at 3772, RD 1601.
Director Boston confirming supervisor now. Roger, 31 FP 420, sir, route. 420, do you have an EJ? We're not going to own the street. It's just down to the suspect location now.
Again, it's information on a Class 2 hit-and-run felony, Indiana and Pacific. Suspect was a newer black Honda Pilot, unknown plate, last seen Olympic towards East LA. Suspect male Hispanic, in his 40s, buzz cut on the sides, has a male juvenile in the passenger seat. Incident 3774.
Shut down. Or on lockdown.
20 Mercedes, 4-door, Tyler Branch, 4637 Willis Avenue, Unit 111, Sherman Oaks. The Victory 200 Teva.
Woodman.
Their location is going to be 7934 Woodman.
7934 Woodman. Try the female officer for a search, come in. 32624 William 326, have you arrived? Security officer 2601 Wilshire Boulevard at the County DPSS building. Suspects a female, no further. It's code incident 377-692-51. Pounds brown over brown with a SC tattoo on left cheek. It's code 2 incident 3779 RD 1322.
The 160 is a route for the female search. It's at 3718. Search was a male, dark green, a gray hooded sweater, black pants, simulated a handgun, and took the postal vehicle, was last seen northbound Frigid. It's code 2, incident 3782, RD 514.
Tilden, code 2, RD 893.
Anyway, can you show me code 6 on my call? Blah, blah, my MBC is down.
What, Roger?
Listen to me.
Incidents and end of watch.
Here's my attention request. Identify.
Bring the incident. The last 4 of my instances.
41, standby. 185 is requesting additional unit as supervisor, 650 South Hill Street.
XY, female Asian, 48, wearing all black clothing, 50 Delta Sierra, code 2, incident 3780, and RD 15.
6600 Laurel Canyon, the Bank of America. I'm on her comments, code 2, incident 3783, RG 1514. Available to handle an ADW discard, Valley Boulevard in Soto, code 2, incident 3751, RD 437, identify. Spring House 106.
6 location. Citizen call is related to incident 2659 in 77th. Are you able to update those comments and state that PR is requesting PD call them upon arrival?
Roger, I can associate your citizen call to that, and I'll document that they want to be contacted.
Roger that. 1411, how do you show my status?
1411, you show at Pacific Station.
I just want to follow up at scene, Pacific Station, front parking lot.
Roger, Pacific Station, front parking lot.
Adam 84, just unit request?
Adam 84, yes. 185 is requesting additional unit, 650 South Hill Street.
Roger, you can show us en route.
1 Adam 85, 1884.
Numbers 626-391-6735.
Roger.
Big Banner 242 is eastbound over the 10, 1,300, just passing downtown.
Code 6, Figueroa and Pico.
Point for Mike 65, code 6, Figueroa and Pico. Incident 3797, RD354. 15 years, hair in the bun, wearing a black crop top, blue jeans, black and white Nike shoes. Number 2, female black, 14, 15 years, wearing a black sweater, black jeans, black socks, black shoes. And number 3 is a female black, 14, 15 years, wearing glasses, black Nike jacket, and black sweatpants with black sandals. Let's go to incident 3800 and RD 2189. Sure, and Aura.
Oh, 30, you can assign that call to me in Council 60.
Control 64, 60, cancel incident 3751, follow 30 will handle.
Control 60, roger.
Code 6, Figueroa and 70th. On a black bicycle 2 minutes ago, suspect male black 30, 6'2", short dreadlocks, yellow shorts, blue socks, armed with a handgun, property taken liquor. It's code 10-3806 RD 676.
Okay. 1345 West 105th Street, this city, male black, black brown, 6'4", 280, DOB of 2579, KMA.
Radar 1047.
RD 1341. 4-man investigation, 1131 East Washington, incident 2338, RD 1313.
839, you can send us one of those code 2 calls that are pending.
Roger, handle the ambulance email missing on this Chandler John. That's the first time out.
Sure, around.
All right, girls, we're going to move to the southeast corner.
Queen 12, line, start traffic.
Pacific, standby 14 and A45. Go ahead.
14-845, boy 461-7835, last of Rich, Robert, Ida, Tom, Zebra, first of Marie, Lincoln, Adam, Union, Robert, Ida, Edward, 100, the city, male white, brown, 5'7", 165, DOB of 01-17-1972, ACI came in. 73, original.
Roger. And Broadway, Manchester, and Broadway, second-hand info from CHP. Suspect is a male black 6'2", wearing a cheetah print hooded sweater, light blue overall, setting branches on fire and throwing them at vehicles. Disclosed 3 incident 3819, NRD 1267, 77 to handle identify.
We also get a supervisor to our location.
City Mission Supervisor, meet 19A93, 7934 Woodman Avenue, apartment 32.
1950.
1950 is responding for 1993. PS office, code 2 and 3776 or 251, attempt suicide, 1612 Beverly Boulevard, code 2 and 3785 or 237.
Time, my miles, 81126.
31 Pier 216, roger.
Do they need PD?
To contact them because RD 1313 is not a covered RD.
On the MacArthur Park platform, reporting there.
Let's take MacArthur Park platform for 14 minutes.
3, go ahead.
Shot 2, can you show us follow up en route 77th, please?
George 53, roger.
Roger. Woodman and Ventura.
Against 9X14, responding code 3 from Woodman, Ventura to 7227 Van Nuys Boulevard.
1 Morton Avenue, suspect 28, cancelled by the PR.
972, roger.
Elton, clear.
Hello 10, roger.
3805 from Legion Park. Code 2.
Sure, we'll get a new unit, see if we can get one to stand by.
HP at Sunland Boulevard by the northbound 5 freeway for TC, no injuries. Code 3828 or 1675.
3316.
90, it's 3A1. Before there's no further.
Code 4, all parties GOA.
24 Airplane 46 requesting a new unit to respond code 3 for an ambulance traffic, 7199 South Grand Avenue and standby. Incident 3805 and 1391. Airplane 46 responding code 2.
3-4. So these girls yet? Might be some type of narcotic too. Yeah, Roger. I haven't seen what this one up by after that. Flight code 4, West MacArthur Park platform. Suspect.
459 suspect, 78th and Flower.
Way.
Banner code 242 is southeastbound along the 5, 1200, just passing the Citadel.
It was GOA.
Reason for the impound. Roger. At this time.
Movement looks like kids came home for A and B. A Hispanic female with 2 younger kids is departing as well.
We're in Santa Barbara.
Again, ambulance traffic, 100 North Highland Avenue, 100 North Highland Avenue, 3 vehicle TC, code 3, incident 3838 and RD 727. West traffic in intent identified.
Show code 4, suspects in custody, 78 and Flower.
7199 South Grand Avenue. 24 Mary Queen, 46 is requesting units to respond code 3 to standby while they respond code 2.
I lost life, she's still going.
Your attempt suicide at 1612 Beverly Boulevard. The subject left in a gold Kia. Last seen towards the 110 freeway. It's information on incident 3785.
Unit 13927 responding code 3 from 34 in Central to 7199 South Grand Avenue. Incident 3805.
For a code 2 call about to timeout, NRD 1601 identify, and a code 2 call, NRD 1675 identify.
Channel 49 is now clear for normal broadcast.
9 investigation, RD 162, and recovered stolen RD 171. Central will have either call identify.
Official closest from the backup.
Until like 18, roger.
31 FB 306.
Step by.
For the 459.
Send traffic in, how much traffic? Pico, Gilbert, Lindsay, code 3 and 3854, or you 181?
To the rear of the location. Show me code 6 with Z11.
7177.
12W30, Roger, verify 25Z11 or 25Z114 that had the backup.
12 William 30 for backup.
Roger.
24 mix 101, 24 mix 101, how much traffic? Pico, Gilbert, Lindsay, code 3 and 3854, or you 181?
And the DOB doesn't match.
184, Roger.
Code 3 from Teresita Road and Parsons Trail to the Valley Traffic's request.
21, can you show me code 6 on 1? We're going to be on 5th and Spring.
21, code 6 on 1, 5 in Spring.
Queen. To control.
Get to control, go ahead.
25 Mary Queen 18. Y6, can I do a verbal long one?
346, Roger.
124 MX 101, code 1.
73. Rover is 203371. Shop is 0082.
I'll call them. They're on special detail.
Roger, we're trying to get him to handle code 3 call Z unable. Is a male 25 to 30 years in front of location, bleeding from the shoulder. Code 2 incident 3855 ready 551.
They're off incident 3621, added to my stack.
Alright, we are going to have a violation. The vehicle is going to be driving away eastbound towards Granite, that black Chevy Silverado.
12450 Miranda has been upgraded to a limited. Incident 3628, RD 1530.
21, Roger.
0154. TL 21, Roger.
11X19, call the inside line.
X19, 11X19, call the inside line.
Roger.
X45, come in.
Actually, cancel the outside units. Okay, we're going to handle it a long delay.
19 X45, disregard 16 X8 will handle.
Behind a little Honda.
4233, 4290, 467.
Are you watch 2? Double 2 code 6 on the back of?
25 Tilton here, Roger. I'm meeting with the chairman.
165 was a second error.
Roger, I'm deleting it.
Code 6, I don't show you on my board.
Shaw Boulevard until further notice, please.
Cowboy 22, code 6, 6103 South Crenshaw.
11W126, Roger. Incident number 3873.
VCP2, Roger. 5 TL 21 responding to Obama and second.
2J is coming up behind you. No evidence of fire.
5 Lakesea Avenue, code 2, incident 3789, NRD 5448. Units to handle, identify.
6831 ambulance traffic, 100 North Highland, code 3 incident 3838, RD 727.
What's about the PR?
Certainly.
Here now, Sherman Way 91, that's a Goodwill, suspect is a male Hispanic wearing a blue shirt, green pants, code 2, incident 3878, RD 1015.
So, the male Hispanic, red with black striped tank top, backpacked. Additional 3855.
Northeast units, update their status.
Northeast units, update your status. Northeast units, update your status. Holding 1 timed out. Code 2 call. Go to jail to transport 2 arrestees to Twin Towers. Code 2 incident 3699.
White Nissan Altima just went northbound with a black bra on the front of it. It's been by 3 times now. Just keep an eye out.
We get like 4 bodies. Rush.
And 3838, RD 727.
Outlook 7 Mary Queen David 401.
605 King 2, Pickle Julie Jonas is 1573 RD 1567.
1585, sounds like.
Heading 77 for the timed out code 2 calls. ADW just occurred 6107 11th Ave. RD 1241. Child abuse investigation 1850 West 96. RD 1283. Attempt 459. Suspect just left 518 West 51st. RD 1208. And E77 to handle, identify.
Julie 93. Attempts I call 1283.
1293, roger.
Out again. Mr. Wilton.
Okay.
Yeah, east of Wilton on a black Nissan Versa plate.
One more for a code alpha.
Yeah, holding 9. Non-coded calls, RD 1211, 1252, 1265, 1251, 1243, 1249, and 1256. And E77 to handle, identify.
Roger from Detroit, the second.
That's 7833 responding code 3 from Detroit and second to Fairfax and 5th.
Justice suspect 6953 Junction Boulevard inside the Ace Auto. Suspect is a male Hispanic, orange hooded sweater, blue jeans, gray baseball cap. Refusing to exit the vehicle parked inside the location. It's code 2 1515.
Evans Battery 1746 O'Farrell, code 23855
home. So suspect female, black, wearing a white sweatshirt, black pants, trying to hit the PR. Female, 65 years old. Code 2 incident 3894, RD 1371.
Three 34, cancel incident 2463.
Code 2 call on my percent.
X66, roger. Charlie 31, roger. City 77 for 51 minutes, the scene of a TC62 in Grammar C, suspect a female Hispanic, in build pink top, code 2 incident 3880, RD 1233.
Yep, Portofino Towns, code, correction, incident 3896 3503.
Okay, roger.
2813, roger.
9 years. Minor comments for additional, it's code 2, incident 3883, NRD 412.
620-004-576-809-0201, and it's going to be for a gray Mercedes-Benz 4-door.
11:45. 12:31, 12:45.
Here we go, 6.
7833 is code 6, Fairfax and 5th.
2018, watch 6. Can I get a unit with the site date?
Any unit with a site date come in for 25 Marine Queen 18, watch 6.
Site date is May 24th, 2024.
Going midwind, eastbound.
Queen at 65, verify you code 6 at the traffic at Pico on Gilbert Lindsay Drive.
I want to be clear from my previous traffic stop. Show me on another traffic stop, same location. License 7 Union, John Tom, 512.
27 Mary 137, traffic stop, Palisades Circle, Palisades Drive. 7 Union John Tom 512. Say 36, go ahead. Yeah, Southeast units holding a
Total May being 34 and Adam 8711722. Julio Vasquez, correction, Julio Chavez Vasquez, license status is expired.
code 2 and 7378 3514.
Weapon used was a 9mm handgun. Outstanding property taken was alcohol. KMA.
On code 6.
Code 101 freeway. When at code 101 freeway, suspect is transient male, no prescription, attempting to start a fire. LAFD request, PD code 3, incident 3901 RD 2169.
Unknown colored shirt, yellow basketball shorts, blue shoes. Weapon used is a 9mm handgun. Property taken was alcohol. It's incident 3806.
Can you cancel an Adam 85 off of incident 2742 and put it in my stack? We'll handle. It will be primary.
Roger. Correction. 6831 is code 6, Highland and Beverly.
For violation. Right, you're going to be going eastbound 109. Eastbound 109, he's grabbing curb at 109. I got Chase with me.
31 FE 132, there's no want. There's call out of Young 574, correction, Young 5744052 for Zion Lucian Paris Sedonis, license status expired.
Can I get a little bit detail to this location?
Taxi, Roger. 14A 69, 14A 69, respond to 14L90. Out.
Correction, and negative, still code 6, thank you.
869, Roger.
31 FE 422 only, repeat.
FE 422, you can cancel the female officer for the search on our call.
FE 162 cancel response. 3718.
Uniform with that.
Roger, uniform set. Sorry, Miss Sonia, your last message was broken. Say again your last.
Last for my incident here.
31 FE 136, 3625.
Towards 6th Street, male Hispanic, wearing a gray long sleeve shirt, white shorts, and the PR with a knife. Code 10-73911 RD247. For T54 as of 1622, the PR stated he was talking to PD. Verify you did not meet with him.
36 and 38 as well. 70th and Fig.
Correct, ma'am. Thank you.
Your incident is 3914.
Police officers anywhere.
Roger.
59.
Exactly 19, 20 minutes for tow.
619, roger.
148. Can you just show this one? OCC. Show me our traffic stop. It's going to be on Lincoln and Venice on Charles, Zebra Charles, 9406, Texas plate.
5 AAA with an approximate ETA of 1,700 hours.
Slowly on the move, southbound towards target.
Code 6 at the same location on a separate incident, and give me the last 4, please.
Riding to assault passerbys with small rocks. Coach incident 3917, RD 905.
Use no longer needed. 28 Marilla Street, incident 3916, RD 1768.
654, roger.
To Ventura Canyon.
861, can you have the PR step out to me?
K61, stand
8U3, you canceling 8836.
8U3, roger, cancel 36.
8836, cancel to 2865, 8U3 will handle. 36, roger, thank you, U3.
Patrol unit to block eastbound traffic, Obama and 3rd on incident 3797.
Street information only.
Is in front of an Uber. A female Hispanic wearing a yellow sweater and gray pants, wearing socks and no shoes, unable to advise the Uber driver where she lives, and there's a child in the vehicle. 0.
7 South Worcester Street and apartment 6, code 2, incident 3927, NRD 859. No, 6606. Items go from the code 6 Charles 2221 Wall Street, information only.
Roger.
35 years, white shirt and jeans. KP or son with the metal pole. Code 2, incident 3930, RD 1913. When there was no callback for the PR and per previous request, sent FD transported to Exodus.
6 at Cabrillo on 7. 351.
Give me LC20, did you receive?
3927.
8814, roger.
27, I correspond to TL 21's request.
6 push.
7.
Roger, code 6 Alpha notice 7. On 1. We'll just put your call.
3135, when you can start code 6 to them.
21, roger.
And a protest rent going to the street to disrupt traffic. Code 2 incident 3934, RD 376.
You handle incident 3680.
Hands broke into Pierre's residence. Girlfriend was home. Code 2, incident 3936, RD 111.
Alright, 7 Ron, I'm already code 6.
Roger.
18841, 18841. Additional year child neglect, 155 West 109 Street. The suspect mother is on the curb, and the PR is standing by with the child on her porch. Additional incident 3919.
Can we get an RA there? If she's passed out.
143 Ventura Boulevard from Skechers. Suspect female Hispanic, black polo shirt, blue jeans, brandished a knife. Last seen on foot towards Lindley 2 minutes ago. Code 3 incident 3935, RD 1075. What's all you think to identify?
75 to control, you can show code 4 subject in custody.
Units code 4, 7934 Woodman Avenue, apartment 32, suspect is in custody.
Get a bunch of souls in it.
Do you have a cheese car available? We're going to take a 30-minute break just so everyone can kind of catch up and take a head call. So I appreciate it.
5 Victor 10, do I have a cheese car available?
11, have you arrived Harbor?
11 negative, any traffic, stay for check.
5A11, roger.
Annual code 2 incident 3422 RD 1241.
American 38, roger, on a flatbed.
20 minutes on.
7460 O'Farrell, code 2 3855 RD 551, meet up to Western Summerlin at the Peck Park. Possibly related to the O'Farrell incident, code 2 3891 RD 551.
83, RD 412, identify.
Follow up at scene 9L60, 9 Adam 23, and 9X62 at 6723 Van Nuys Boulevard.
9819, 9823, 9L60, and 9X52. Follow up at scene 6723 Van Nuys Boulevard.
It's going to be 3930.
27, roger. 9861 PR, jumping out to me.
61 roger.
The subject's name for a welfare check?
19, slow 1, can you show me backing on incident 3930?
Keys 1, roger.
Can you show me code 6 in the area of 5th and Broadway?
1 Queen 21, code 6, 5 in Broadway.
7. I get expiration date for 7/01/92 X-ray 1.
Release desk. Pressure coffee.
Sorry, 57 70192 X-ray 1, standby.
1293, 1293, have you arrived? 41.
Any Hollywood unit, neighbor dispute, 807 North Bolton Place. Suspect name Ramel White, 35 to 40 years, wearing a leather jacket and blue jeans, 390. More comments, code 2 and 3958 3677.
83, roger. Need available to handle criminal threat suspect 8711 South Harvard Boulevard, code 2 incident 3858 RD 1273, identify.
Sorry, 57 70192 X-ray 1, expiration 7/31/2024.
Roger, thank you.
Can you put the license plate in the comments of my call? It's going to be 6 Robert Victor Robert 448, please.
Does somebody have an IR at the station that we could take a battery report for Larry? He got worked on.
Can I get an additional unit and a supervisor for a critical missing?
Great.
108, can I get advance and warrants on that plate as well?
6708, roger, standby.
ATM 97, you can show it your money.
1841, 1897. I'm going to report service in.
Main event, listen suspects are now on Delius and Parthenia.
On eastbound Londelia, see the pair in a white Mercedes van. Suspects are 2 mile whites, 20 to 30 years, blonde hair, number 1 camouflage jacket, blue jeans. Number 2, the beard, gray sweatshirt, gray jeans, walking with 2 pit bulls and 1 small dog. Minor comments, code 2 incident 3971, RD 2103.
Strawberry Victor Robert 448 along the Wards, 1992 Ford sports vehicle, Angel Madrano, 9966 Silex Avenue, City Cueva. The return's going to be the comments.
Hey, Hollywood Unit 44, suspect there now, 1807 North Wilton Place. Suspect female, white, 40 years, white shirt, green pants, 2 peers, puppies, code 2, incident 3978, RD 638.
507 radio, RD 2026 and additional in 2026. Olympic unit to handle either of the old calls identified.
Timed out. Ambulance battery 1746 referral, code 27385 RD 551, related to meet ST Western Summerlin, code 27391 RD 551.
Ambulance 2 unit battery suspect 1906 Crenshaw Boulevard at Jack in the Box. Code 23946 RD 788.
Seen in the alley, Church Avenue 51, it's code 2 incident 396 Church Avenue 37.
358 RDE 12783 77 to handle before going outside, identify.
Battery suspect, code 23917 37, continue the last call.
Requesting additional T unit to do a follow-up to the hospital on incident 3797.
That's right, requesting a supervisor 12896 Osborne Street.
26 MX1 from station.
26 MX108, 26 MX100 for the station.
108, roger.
Is the sanitation trucks, code 2 incident 3982 NRD 1132. E54, senior stop.
53, repeat your code 6 location.
That must have been the guy who was in that van.
George 53, code 6, 3000 Riverside.
Charles 6, Frank 3, Charles.
Plate John Charles 6, Frank 3, Charles.
Lieutenant Dispute 380 South Clark Drive, incident 3188, RE 721. Trespass suspect, La Brea and Olympic at Arco Gas, incident 3487, RD 745. Code 30 Bringer 629 North La Brea, incident 3906.
Roger.
Clump, your PR is in apartment number 20, a male Hispanic wearing a hat, blue sweatshirt, and blue jeans. Will direct your suspect in apartment number 3. Code to incident 3989 RD 1549.
30220, can you dispatch an additional unit for incident 3934?
Call, we're going to be on Whitley, south of Yucca.
Southwest unit to respond with 3855 and 30220 to incident Brighton and correction to Brighton and 39 incident 3934 identified.
Going to be just north of Olympic on a paper plate Toyota Camry, older model.
11 George 53, 9 Edward George Paul 405.
He's still at the ambulance traffic.
B52 Raj.
Door Andrew Eric Hidalgo, 4006 Dunsmore Avenue, La Crescenta.
Free South Spring Street at Spring Mini Mart. Suspect male back no further. Code 2 incident 3996 to 9154.
8.
Do you have an ETA for 1993? Place code 2 incident 3958 RD677. 6846, 6846. Are you clear?
Hotel. Subject male, 61 years, 5'10", 2'5", 205 pounds, white t-shirt, brown pants, and possesses unknown narcotics, stating he's going to jump from a balcony. Code 3 incident 4001 RD1849.
Copy. 49 is responding code 3 from Southeast Station to 1904 East 113th Street.
Seventeen VCP 2 to control.
VCP 2, go ahead.
I canceled you off that call about 20 minutes ago. 19861 is at scene.
93, roger, ma'am. Appreciate it, 61.
657.
Here's about to meet.
Standby.
To 399, 11383.
13869, respond to the watch commanders.
It's not right.
Transit units about to...
It's not hard to improve morale in your division. It's really not.
Transit unit, check for an open mic.
But they need 4 or 5 rendies.
Full 9 and show me on a follow-up in round 2 Pacific Station. 27 Mary 149, roger.
FE 134, your status?
60.
MX100, thank you.
X100, 26 MX100, cancel your response.
MX100, roger. Show me out to the station, please.
26 MX100, roger.
244, 521 South Union Ave. All parties GOA.
Wearing a black hooded t-shirt, black pants. Code 2 incident 4017 NRD16. Correction 1501.
4016, 3941.
CCD, you can cancel West Valley about the call.
ICC cancel call in West Valley, they're handling.
960, roger.
6831, stand by.
Stop, 47th Street, Figueroa, license plate 791.
Queen 18, traffic stop 47th and Figueroa, repeat the license.
Suspect male, white, 45 to 50 years, short hair, plaid flannel shirt, pants, waving American flag, walking in other roadways. Code 2 incident 3992 RD804.
9 George, Edward John 791, 25 Mary Queen 12, do you have a message?
Thousand one.
70 William Charles 973.